Alright, so to use Google Calendar, you go to your browser. I'm on Google Chrome, and you can type in here Google Calendar. And right here is your Google Calendar. You can do a bunch of different things with it. If you come right here, you can display one day at a time, or a week, or about a month. And to create an event for any day, you press create over here, and you can add a title to it, a time. You can add guests to it, and to do that, you just type in their email address to add them. You can put a location. And so to create a Google meeting, you go here to the apps and you click on Meet, new meeting. And you can add others to your meeting right here. Same thing, you just type in their email address. You can add them like that. You send them an email. And that's pretty much it.